If you're watching this video, like it and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our scale and chord tutorial videos. Today we're talking about D flat or C sharp. They are the same note if you see on the key. Same note, two names. We're gonna go with the D flat letterings. First we'll show the scale in the right hand, then the left hand, and then both hands. When we start on this D flat, we'll have 5 flats. D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, and B flat. Every black key in between these D flats. First time we'll do note names, second time fingering numbers. Starting on the second finger on D flat, here are the note names. D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat. Take it back. All the black keys. 3, 2. Again with fingering numbers, we start on a 2, D flat, ready, go. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. And on that pointer finger. In the left hand, we'll start on the middle finger. First time with notes, same notes, we get D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat. F, E flat, D flat. We get D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat. F, E flat, D flat. Slowly, hands together, they start on different fingers. Third finger left hand, second finger right hand, ready together. Different fingers. 1. Ending again on that third finger in the left hand, second in the right. Do this again for good practice, I encourage it, and then play on to the next scale video.